Oh my god, I can't believe it. Probably warmer to stay out here, and I'm wearing a sweatshirt. Oh, well, I got keys, so it's going to be kind of a little cold start, or whatever you want to call it. Ooh, first things first, got to unplug battery maintainer. Come on. There we go. Alright. Got my little special hook. Hey, look, ice. Alright. Okay. Oh, it's nice and warm in here. Okay, it's a 4. Yeah, baby. Alright. New trial. Clutch down. Pump it twice because that's all it needs. Choke. I gotta do this, I gotta hold the choke and I gotta turn the key at the same time because the choke likes to pop out while it's starting, so I'm gonna set it down right there. Hopefully you can see it. Right there. Ah, damn it. There, like that. There we go. Oh! Oh, man. There we go. Sweet! Warm this baby up. She's cold. Well, the temp's kind of low. Looking for a tack, so I can set that baby in there, and factory tack, possible. Would be pretty cool. Alrighty, let's get this cold bitch out of here. I gotta show people I did my exhaust work backwards. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. How I did my exhaust work, okay? First, let me pop my hood. I'm completely around the truck real fast, so you guys hopefully got a quick glance at it. Alright, hold on a second. Alrighty. Oh yeah, by the way, I had to get a new starter and a new solenoid. Because starter was stuck one day and I didn't know it. And I was trying to turn it over, and I thought my battery was dead, so I went to but my battery's fully charged. Well, I was burning up my solenoid right here, and it was burning, and it melted this nut right in here, so I had to go to Advance and get a new one and put it on there. It works great now. I got to get a new starter. Starter I had in there dragged, so this one doesn't. Alrighty, but anyways, that's why I hate these mirrors. You got to take them completely apart. This completely apart to get in here to tighten up that nut that's in there. But fuck it. Alright. Oh, it's ice. Ooh. Alrighty, guys. Well, this is how I did it. Okay, there's my big glass pack right there. And then there's my flex tubing right there. That's all I did. Get some hose clamps, find a place to mount them. Don't drill a hole. Just find a place to mount them. Ow, I hit the exhaust shield. Oh, I got a little leak right there. But yeah, easy to do. I just got it off the headers. I cut it off right here. And I just, whoop, plumped it on. Zoop, and then dumped it out on the side right there. Probably can't see it because of the freaking sun, but that's how I did it. So, oh, brr, that's cold ice. Very cold ice. But yeah, that's how I did it. Very easy. Now my camera's all blurry, so see you guys later. Any questions or anything, just let me know. I'll try to answer them as best I can. So, I'll see you guys later. Quit being blurry. There we go. Bye.